You ever had a moment na bigla ka na lang natahimik? Like you're there, pero something just hits you. Hey, it's me again. And today, I just want to share something a bit more personal. Because this was the moment that really changed everything for me. It was a normal day. Pagod galing work, mind still thinking about bills, deadlines, responsibilities. Then I got home, and my son was there. He looked at me and said, "Daddy, can you play with me?" And I said, "Wait lang anak, pagod si Daddy, later, okay?" But later never came. Because before I knew it, I was on my phone, scrolling, thinking about work again. And then I looked up. He was already asleep. That moment, grabe, that hit me hard. Kasi dun ko na-realize, I'm working so hard for him. Pero ako rin yung nawawala sa buhay niya. Ano ang sakit nun? Because those little moments, yun yung hindi mo na mababalikan. Hindi mo na mabibili. And I asked myself, ganito na lang ba lagi? Hanggang kailan? Because deep inside, I knew something had to change. That moment, that's what pushed me even more to look for another way. Hindi lang para kumita, but para magkaroon ng oras. Time to be present. Time to say yes when he asks me to play. Time to actually live, not just survive. And that's when I started taking this digital business seriously. Not perfectly, not fast, but consistently. Paunti-unti, I started taking control back. Now, when my son says, "Daddy, play tayo," I don't say later anymore. I say, "Sige anak, tara," and trust me. That simple word, tara, it means everything. So let me ask you, have you ever had a moment like that? Yung muntik mo nang mamiss, pero dun ka nagising? If this episode hit you, if you feel like you're doing everything, but still missing the moments that matter, I get it. I've been there. And if you're curious about how I started changing things, just message me the word time. No pressure. I'll just share what helped me. Because at the end of the day, hindi lang naman natin goal mag-provide eh. We want to be present,